Hello dear fans. How to convert 1 meter/second to kilometer per hour. The speed of movement in different countries is usually measured in different ways, somewhere they use miles for this, somewhere kilometers. But even in one system of units of measurement, it may be necessary to convert the speed, for example, from meters per second to kilometers per hour. Converting speed units from one parameter to another requires an understanding of the ratio of the units used to each other. Converting meters per second to kilometers per hour. This is necessary in particular in order to convert meters per second to kilometers per hour. So, the ratio of kilometers to meters, as you know, is 1 to 1000. In other words, 1 kilometer contains 1000 meters. In turn, hours and seconds relate to each other as 1 to 3600. 1 hour contains 3600 seconds. Thus, in order to convert a certain number of meters per second to the corresponding number of kilometers per hour, it is necessary to divide the considered value by 1000 and multiply by 3600. However, this rather cumbersome expression can be simplified by reducing the coefficients used among themselves. Therefore, to convert meters per second to kilometers per hour, it is necessary to multiply the considered value by 6. The corresponding calculations can be made for any speed, both low and high. For example, you can convert a speed of 1 meter per second to kilometers per hour by multiplying it by a factor of 3.6. As a result, it turns out that this speed is equivalent to a speed of 3.6 kilometers per hour. Converting kilometers per hour to meters per second. Understanding the need to establish a relationship between the initial values, it is possible to carry out the reverse conversion from kilometers per hour to meters per second. To convert kilometers to meters, taking into account their ratio, it is necessary to multiply the initial number of kilometers by 1000. Similarly, based on the ratio between them, hours are converted into seconds. Thus, to convert kilometers per hour to meters per second, it is necessary to perform the opposite operation, multiply the considered value by 1000 divided by 3600. An attempt to reduce the used coefficients in this case gives a rather inconvenient result for calculations 0, 2, 7. However, to solve this problem, you can do it easier. Instead of multiplying by a factor equal to 6, you should divide by it. This method can be used to convert any value expressed in kilometers per hour to meters per second. For example, it can be applied to the standard speed of movement in the city, 60 kilometers per hour. Making the appropriate calculations, you can find out that the indicated speed is equivalent to about 16.7 meters per second. Similarly, you can calculate, for example, the standard speed of a pedestrian, knowing that it is about 6 kilometers per hour. You can calculate that this is equivalent to about 1.7 meters per second. Thanks for watching.